Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our chart analysis trading series. Okay, so if you guys are watching our video for the first time, I'd request you guys to watch all our previous videos which we made for an option strategies to earn a consistent profits. And other than that, we have uploaded lot many intraday strategies as well as an chart analysis to how to read a chart, all those stuffs. Okay, so we have started this series. Uh, from the end of March 2021. Okay, so uh, plan to do the chart analysis series on the daily basis. Okay, so if you look at, so today we have took a same as like same as like our previous sessions, previous videos. We have took 5 charts for today's readings. Okay, so the first one is RBL Bank. Okay, so if you look at the RBL Bank, it is trading at 207.35 as a close of 31st March. Okay, so if you look at, so this particular stock is trading at a support level. Okay, so here we can see, so this level was acting as an multiple support. Even if I draw an horizontal line for this. Okay, so here you can see that, so this particular level here, you can see this level acted as an resistance for a multiple times, and post that, right, it acted as in support, and again the price is trading near the support level for now. Okay, so but I can see the stock has started moving down below 200 EME as well. Okay, so again it was trading near the support level. Okay, so if there is an if there is any breakdown happens below this level, right, so I am expecting the downtrend to continue for some levels till the level of around this as a support level. Okay, so which is like almost it will uh, go down below like 170 levels. Okay, so if the stock starts moving down below this horizontal support line. Okay, so because we have a double confirmation here, so the stock is trading below 200 EMA and it is trading near the support level. Okay, so which acted as in multiple time support and resistance. Okay, so this is an very good points. Okay, so if the stock tends to move below that, it will continue its downtrend till the time till the level of around 170. Okay, so this is all about RBL Bank. Okay, so the next one we will be going to look at is Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so if you look at the Hindustan Unilever, okay, so it made a breakout from its trend line. Okay, so if you look at on the daily charts, we can get a confirmation that the stock made a breakout from its trend line. Okay, so this is an recent support for this level for Hindustan Unilever, but it made a breakout. Okay, so but if you look at the weekly chart for this one, okay, so here we can see that, so this level the stock Hindustan Unilever's current level will be a is at a very good resistance level. Okay, so the stock should move beyond this level with a very good volume support. Okay, so if the breakout happens with a good amount of an volume, then we can then the trend will continue for the upper sides. Okay, so the trend it will go till the level of an 2600 level. If it break this level, okay, so this is an very good resistance, and if it breaks, it will be going to hit the target of like 200 600 2600 plus. Okay, so this is all about Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so the next thing we'll be going to have a look at is Titan. Okay, if you look at the Titan, same like it is trading near it made a breakout of its recent trend line support. Okay, so here you can see that the stock is above 200 EME and it made a breakout yesterday with a very good volume. Okay, so here we can take a confirmation, but confirmation that the stock is going to move on the upside. Okay, so the people who want to enter long can enter into this trade. Okay, so the stock will take some break near the level of this 1622 or 1620 level from the current level. Okay, so beyond that, I am expecting the stock to move on the upside only, because it made a breakout of the trend line with a good support of volume. So here you can see, so the volume was higher based on the previous trades. Okay, so it is a very good breakout, which is a Titan. Okay, so here you can see Titan made a good breakout. Okay, so the next one is HDFC Bank. Okay, so if you look at the HDFC Bank again, HDFC is taking an resistance based on its recent trend lines. Okay, so to resume its uptrend, HDFC Bank should move beyond this trend line with a good amount of an volume. So if it is making a breakout with a good volume, then it should continue its upside movement for the next resistance, which is like around 1600, and then it should move towards the 1640 levels. Okay, so and also the this level will act as a support. Okay, so it should not break beyond this level, so which is like around 1460 or 1450. Okay, so it will act as an support, and if the market supports, the stock will make a breakout on the upside. So this is all about HDFC Bank. Okay, so if you look at the next one which we are going to have a look at is TCS. Okay, if you look at the TCS, okay, so TCS is moving on the upside only. Okay, so if you look at here, we can see the stock is keep on moving on the upside. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is about, just a second friends. Okay, so this is all about the TCS. Okay, so here you can see the stock is taking the support at its trend line, and it's keep on moving on the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting this TCS to hit the target of like around 3260, and the next target would be at this level, which is like 3300 plus. Okay, so right now market TCS is trading at the level of 3175. Okay, expecting it to hit the target of 3300 plus in the upcoming trading days. Okay, so this is all about the stocks. Okay, so just a recap, we have seen an RBL. Okay, RBL will be in a bearish radar on my side. Okay, so Hindustan Unilever, I'm expecting it made a breakout, but it should cross its horizontal resistance. Okay, so which is, if you look at the weekly candle, the current level is at the good resistance level. Okay, so it should move beyond this. And Titan, it made a breakout. So I'm keeping this on my bullish radar. And if you look at the HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank is trading between its recent support and resistance level. Okay, so it should make an breakout or the breakdown on the either side to continue its trend. Okay, so the next one is TCS. Okay, TCS I'm keeping on the bullish radar because it's keep on making an higher low and higher high. Okay, so here you can see it's keep on moving upside only, so I'm keeping this on the bullish radar. Okay, so this is all about today's chart analysis, friends. Okay, so apart from this, if you guys are interested in any option trading strategies to earn a consistent money month on month, you guys can WhatsApp me at 7305226224, and also we provide some extra services as well. Okay, so you guys can WhatsApp me to avail those offers as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, so please do like, comment, and if you guys have any feedback or whatever the things we can improve in this chart analysis series, so let me know in the comment section so that I can add that as well in the upcoming series. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Happy trading.